John Bosco.
Sit down. This day.
Damn it, sir.
Man, tell you. Wait, remember that day? When my papa go Singapore. Hey,
So
my guy.
nice.
If you see the kind phone he buy for me.
Finish me. Tell me this. My ear.
See, nobody don't use them for Nigeria. I say nobody use them for Nigeria.
I don't understand though. You mean say you be the only person who use that phone for Nigeria?
And I tell you something, for Singapore, where my papa go. You know say my papa na importer, exporter. Oh boy, see, the phone I never finish with you. The phone they fly.
Hey!
Ah boy, stand up. Sit down.
Jesus.
I never finish.
Over.
I never finish. Wait now. The phone in the fridge now.
Phone
I want that.
In the fridge.
I want that.
See, anytime I want use them, in the fly come meet me. But no, oh boy, sit down. Oh, but no, I dey surprise. See, man, I tell you, I call the phone. Cool engine.
You say what?
Cool engine.
Cool
Engine. Yeah.
Let's go to the next one.
Over.
See, after that, sit down. After that one, now Agapus.
Agapus.
Yeah.
What is Agapus?
Oh boy, this one I told you for another day.
Uncle, they come back. Oh boy, if you see the kind of food my uncle buy for me.
You see?
If you see the kind of food my uncle buy for me.
Oh boy, why you walk one line for me now? I look like, oh boy, son nonsense, I beg.
Wait, I leave am now. Which one will we lie now?
I said shut up.
I joke, you tell me my here. Eh, you mean I'm?
You see that phone, that phone carry your own car. Come.
What happened here again, man?
I see that phone carry your own. I don't think my uncle no go buy car for
My
me.
shut up your mouth. Oh, wait, I look like someone picking for you, Abi. They like.
Oh, you lie with you.
No, I hear me.
Nonsense.